So here's another really cute image we're going to add a reflection to using the high key blast. I'm Lauren. So let's go down here. I'm going to move really quickly. This is kind of midway through the tutorials. So if in doubt, anything I'm doing, please do watch video tutorial number 1. So that's created the reflection there. I'm just going to bring it up to the right place to line it up. And you can see here, I'm just going to right click warp and just get that matching there. I'm actually going to create 2 little reflections for this, one for baby and one for mum. So this is the baby one I'm focusing on, so I'm just going to remove mum's reflection there and just come along and just come over with that, so we get that baby reflection coming in there. And then what I'm going to do is play the action again, glass reflection here. And that's going to create another version of this. So I'm just going to click the move tool and bring this up for mum. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to just completely invert that whole layer mask there, so I can just really lightly dab mum on. I don't want her going over this magazine because we've got to keep this realistic. So her reflection would be coming in here. Here we go. So there's mum's reflection, but I'm just going to grab a black brush and just bring that out a little bit here. And of course take it off the main image, and this one, if you get a line there at any point, you've got to just go along and make sure you've completely taken that off. And there we go. Adding that lovely glass reflection in Photoshop really, really quickly. I do recommend turning these on or off just a little bit, just to make sure nothing is coming over your main image, because it will look a little bit hazy there. There we go, before and after. And that's available as part of the High Key Blast Photoshop Action Suite, available at lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.